Hi everyone, I'm Gaz and today I'm going to show you around our new house, which we've just got 98, yes, 98 new windows. New arch windows, new normal windows, blacked out windows, smoked windows, pretty much everything you could ever imagine. But I'm here today to show you around exactly what we've had done. Right, so here we are in the back garden where, again, this was probably the main reason we got our windows changed. We went anthracite grey. A lot of windows kind of stick out a little bit, but we went for the flush finish. And for me, they look amazing. Right, so this is like kind of our sunroom, living room, spent a lot of time in, and it was this room for me that was like, wow, what a difference, because we had brown windowsills, brown windows, we had LED in the windows. So we went kind of white on the inside, grey on the outside, which I would definitely recommend. And as you can see, it just looks bright, it looks nice. There's a field view, garden view. Honestly, we couldn't hardly see that before. You don't realise how much LED windows block the light. But now it's this bright open space. You can see in the garden. It is just, honestly, absolute game changer. Overall, working with Renovate has been a breeze. We're getting a lot of work done in the house. We've had a lot of different tradesmen come to the house. You want people who are friendly. You want people who are going to speak to your kids in the morning. You want people who are going to work around your time. And that's what I think Renovate really did for us. We got pally with a few of the guys. Obviously, they were here a very long time doing 98 windows. I can't fault them from start to finish. Like I said, they were here, they did the job, they worked around us, which was really important for us. And yeah, like I said, the finished article is amazing.